Hi, my name is Crescent from ABC Fine Art. We get a ton of customers who come in and ask why we don't use regular glass for our custom framing. So here we're looking at some of the detrimental effects of using regular glass as opposed to conservation glass. So on the left you see how the picture has yellowed and faded over time, and on the right with the conservation glass we can see that the picture still looks like it's in pristine condition. The regular glass lets in all of the UV light rays, which damages and fades the picture, while the conservation glass has a coating that protects from the UV light rays that come into the picture and fade your artwork. I'm going to show you two of our most popular choices for glass for our custom framing. One is the conservation clear glass, and one is the museum glass. The one on the right that you can see has a coating that reduces the reflection. So while both of these glasses are 99% UV protective, you can see with the conservation clear glass that the parking lot in the reflection is pretty clear, and on the right side with the museum glass, you can almost put your finger inside. It looks like there's nothing between the artwork and your hand. So thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. You can also drop by the store, give us a call or an email if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.